Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and there's a sauce that I like to put on everything. It's super flavorful and since it has a little bit of spice to it, it goes well with a lot of dishes. So get ready for some homemade taco sauce. Let's dive in. Take out a saucepan and add in a can of tomato sauce and some water as our base. Now let's add some serious flavor to this with some apple cider vinegar, cumin, onion powder, and garlic powder. That covers all the savoriness, so now let's add some heat with some chili powder, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Now there's a lot of strong flavors in this at the moment, so let's sprinkle in some sugar to help sweeten this up a bit. Now that we added our collection of spices, turn the heat up to medium and stir until it begins to bubble. By this point, all of our spices should have broken down so we don't have any chunks. This is looking nice and smooth, so let's add it to a jar and refrigerate until it's cold. Once it's cool, add it to your favorite dishes and plate this dish. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next week when I use this taco sauce in a delicious new recipe. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Minimal mess achieved. Oh no! I'm spilling stuff everywhere. No! Ah! I know!